Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to find a business on Vagaro. Vagaro is a great platform for businesses to connect with their customers, and it's also a great way for customers to find the businesses they need. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever had trouble finding a business that you need? Maybe you're looking for a new restaurant, a hair salon, or a massage therapist. So you're not alone. Many people have trouble finding the businesses they need. That's where Vagaro comes in. Vagaro is a platform that helps businesses connect with their customers. It's a great way for businesses to list their services and products, and it's also a great way for customers to find the businesses they need. So, how do you find a business on Vagaro? I'm glad you asked. I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Go to the Vagaro website. The first step is to go to the Vagaro website. Once you're there, you'll need to create an account. This is a free process and it only takes a few minutes. Step 2. Search for the type of business you're looking for. Once you've created an account, you can start searching for the type of business you're looking for. There are a few different ways to do this. You can search by keyword, location, or category. Step 3. Browse the results and select a business. Once you've found a few businesses that look interesting, you can browse their profiles and read reviews. This will help you decide which business is the best fit for you. Step 4. Contact the business. Once you've found a business that you're interested in, you can contact them directly. You can do this by phone, email, or through the Vagaro platform. Step 5. Book an appointment. Once you've contacted the business, you can book an appointment. This is usually done online, but you can also do it by phone. Additional tips. Be sure to read reviews of businesses before booking an appointment. This will help you make sure that you're choosing a reputable business. Use the Vagaro app to search for businesses on the go. Follow businesses on social media to stay up to date on their latest news and offers. Finding a business on Vagaro is easy and convenient. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can find the perfect business for your needs. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn how to find a business on Vagaro. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.